For business, at least 53 Kenyan companies and individuals appear in a list of banking records submitted to the U.S. Department of Treasury as suspicious financial activity amounting to, get this, $60 billion U.S. dollars. 24 Kenyan financial institutions were named in the report as either beneficiaries, banks, or banks through which companies and individuals made suspicious payments from countries, according to the international consortium of investigative journalists who made the documents public. Most of the funds are proceeds of crime, corruption, and tax evasion. Faizal Ahmed has more.
The International Consortium of Investigative Journalists, in collaboration with media organizations, has revealed that several Kenyan entities and individuals are part of the more than $2 trillion US in suspicious transactions unearthed in a year-long investigation. 24 Kenyan banks have been cited in suspicious financial activity, with the transactions surpassing 6 trillion shillings.
The Kenyan transactions that I've been able to see are involved in a pool of transactions which total at least up to 60 billion.
According to Ngondi, who was part of the 400-member team of journalists from the ICIJ, most of the funds were proceeds of bribery, corruption, tax evasion and money laundering. Some of the sectors and individuals involved include oil companies, pharmaceutical and medical products companies, travel agents, online forex trading businesses, telecommunication companies, manufacturing companies, government entities and past politicians. In the report, some of the illegal transactions were made to look like payments that were made in coffee exports.
SMS Limited was receiving money from Kenyan coffee dealers. These Kenyan coffee dealers said they were buying coffee from Sustainable Management Services Limited, which, when we look at their parent company, is based in Switzerland. So the question at the back of my head was, why is a foreign company coming in, getting Kenyan coffee from Kenyan farmers, selling it to Kenyan millers and Kenyan coffee dealers, who then export coffee out of the country? So in that instance, the money may not have been gotten through illegal means, but it could have been a way of moving money from Kenya to another country.
Laundering money.
Yeah, laundering money.
The documents, submitted by some of the world's largest banks to the U.S. Department of Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, also known as FinCEN, were obtained by BuzzFeed News and shared the documents with ICIJ. The FinCEN Files is a cache of financial intelligence reports that reveals the role of global banks in industrial-scale money laundering and the bloodshed and suffering that follows in its wake. Faizal Ahmed, Citizen TV, Nairobi.